other questions?
About I had one about the
Go ahead.
of the cooking because you have the blech. It's very hot and sometimes you when making tea, I don't have in my case much space to work to do the tea. And droplets of water may fall into the blech and evaporate.
Oh, that's wow. That's
Is that a whole violation of the Shabbos when you
I mean, usually it's not intentional. Usually, so I mean, just try to be careful not to put too much water in whatever you do. So, but usually it's not intentional. Yes.
Okay.